Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer.
And today we have a one-pan skillet recipe.
And it is absolutely delish. Wait until you try it. Super easy. Couple ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. So we're going to take you back and show you how it's done.
We are dicing up some red and green bell pepper.
And I'm just going to cut these into thin slices, and then we're just going to cut them again because I just want them like bite-sized pieces.
We also diced up some onions.
All things out of the garden. So we got our skillet on medium heat.
Yes, and we are adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we are adding our diced veggies in.
Uh-oh, I dropped one.
You better get that. There, good. Now.
All right, now we're going to just let that saute up a little bit and get soft.
Then once they are soft,
I'm going to slide this to the side and make room.
We're adding 1 pound of ground beef.
And this is just 85-15 lean ground beef. I'm just going to chop that up with our little chopper here. And this is just a simple but tasty meal.
1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
And we're going to sprinkle that all over everything. And then we're going to add
1 teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of pepper.
Like we said, most of you probably have all of these ingredients already.
You could add a little W sauce in here.
You could. Yeah, if you want to add a little flavor to the beef, you could do that. I didn't think about that.
We are adding some fresh sliced mushrooms. Steve loved those mushrooms. He cooked those with everything.
Oh, yeah. I love mushrooms. So we're going to go ahead and cover it. What are some of your weekly staple meals that you like to make each week? Let us know in the comments. And we'll check it.
Voila. Let it cook a little more.
Yep. Just a little bit more. And we'll check it again.
Look at that steam. Now that the beef is brown.
Yeah. We're going to add
1 teaspoon of minced garlic.
Got to have some
minced garlic
in there.
Yes. Garlic is a staple around here.
That's right. And we'll just mix that all into the beef. Yum.
Smells so good.
Get all those veggies mixed in.
Then we're going to add our pasta.
And we just picked up some large elbow pasta. And this is a 16-ounce box. So we're going to put about half of that box.
Yeah, about a half of it, 8 ounce.
Enough to fill up the skillet here. But really, you could use any kind of pasta you want.
Then we're adding about 3 cups of beef broth.
We'll just pour that in there. This box has about 4 cups in it, but we're just going to add the 3 and then save that cup for something else, because we'll always come up with something to make, won't we, Sheila?
Always.
Some kind of good something.
And you'll say 1 cup.
That's right. And then we've got
1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream or milk.
And if you don't have the cream, you can use milk, half and half, whatever you got on hand. It's going to help make it creamier. If you do use the heavy cream, it's going to make it a little creamier. So we'll mix that together. Make sure that the noodles are into the liquid there.
Once that is mixed, we will cover it.
And we're going to let that cook. Reduce that heat down to medium-low. And let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes.
And let those little noodles swell up.
That's right. That's right.
Oh.
A little bit more.
Okay, we'll do some more.
Not quite. Let's check it.
It's been simmering about 20 minutes, hasn't it?
Yeah. And look, the liquid's just about gone, so that's perfect.
Then we're going to add 3/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. I love this kind of cheese.
Hey guys, if you could add as much cheese as you want. I mean, really, Sky's the limit.
Yes.
If you love cheese like we do.
Just dump everything you got in the fridge in here.
That's right. Another 3/4 cup of cheddar shredded. We do love our cheese.
Mm-hmm.
And also, a lot of people will add some cream cheese, you know,
Mm-hmm.
in there to make it even creamier. So
Just stir that really good.
mix that in.
Mm-hmm. Then we have some sliced provolone cheese.
Can't have a Philly cheesesteak without some provolone.
Leave it alone. Let me have it.
Step aside.
Yeah, leave it alone.
Put it on there. Turn off the heat.
Yeah, we're going to cover it and let it melt.
And check it. Look at that.
Ooh, I think it's done.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Oh, that's so good. Look at that.
Hamburger helper, eat your heart out.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't got nothing on us.
Hamburger helper. I never heard that now.
Look at that.
Mm.
That looks delicious. All in one pan.
Yes. I'll take that one.
Yeah. That stringy, yummy goodness of cheese.
Oh,
Get all that. Get it off there.
Mm. I'll take a little more.
Yeah.
Come on.
I know, I'm trying to find a good spot here. Get all that cheesy goodness in there.
Good. Right. There you go. Oh, that's enough.
I can't wait to taste this.
Mm.
Making me hungry. Of course, we're always hungry, so.
We stay hungry.
Look at that. Let's eat.
Oh, I'm ready. Let's go.
All right, are you ready?
I am ready.
Look at this.
Look at this.
All that cheesy goodness.
It's all the mushrooms and stuff.
Look. That is so good.
I can just rake this in.
Get a shovel.
Yeah.
Just rake it right in there. Woohoo! Yum.
Look at that.
Delicious.
As Steve would say,
is this the best one-pan Philly cheesesteak skillet? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Are you ready?
So good. Oh, look at that. Mom, I gotta try this one.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.